Everyone, hope everyone is having a awesome and a wonderful day. My name is Sanjeev, and on this video I wanted to share with you the rule of 1% getting better every single day, and I'll share with you some of the channels that are actually getting better 1% every day. And once they are actually utilizing this same principle, how their channel is growing, and so thereby you can take the same principle and actually apply it to your channel and start getting that success. By the way, if you don't know me, my name is Sanjeev, and I teach different ways how you can actually earn money online, mainly with YouTube automation. But recently I started doing a different business model, and if you stay till the end, I'll also be sharing with you how you can also get to know what I'm doing as well. So I'll also leave a link in the description so you can come and join my free Facebook group, which I created not so long ago. And I always share my results, what I'm actually doing, and how I'm making others successful with the online business, right? So going back to the question, how I started this video is making your content 1% better every single day, right? So you see on the screen, this is a channel that's called Law of Attraction Coaching, right? Very popular channel in the motivation niche. And if you look at the channel, I believe they started about 5 years ago. But if you see their most popular videos, which was 3 years ago, got like 9.6 million views, got 8 million views, 5 million views, 4 million views, right? So you can see this must be the first channel probably started in the motivation niche back in the days, and still till this day, if you see their recent videos, they're still doing motivation videos, right? Similar to the video that they actually started with. And going back to the popular videos, their style hasn't really changed much ever since they started. Like, they're doing the same old style of thumbnail, and the actual title that they're using. It's mainly like old style, I'd say. They're still doing the same style. This channel might be making some significant money, but if you look at the recent video, it hasn't got that much views. Most of it like 20,000, 30,000, and they probably don't care. They might probably have another different channels. But if you look at the videos, the video compared to the subscriber count is views are very, very low. And the reason for that is because they haven't changed their style to what they actually started off the channel with. Like, what I was actually told you is like, whatever content they had 5 years ago, 3 years ago, they're still doing the same style of content. They really haven't changed much, and because of that, they are losing their subscriber count, not the actual subscriber count, but their viewers, because the viewers are actually just getting so bored of this same old stuff and the same style of videos that they're creating on a regular basis, right? So this goes with what I actually started the video with, is like getting 1% better every single day. And according to me, this channel are not actually doing that. The title hasn't changed, this thumbnail hasn't changed much, and pretty much audience are just getting bored, right? So this is one of the channel that you don't want to model after. Another channel that I saw recently was a very, very big channel. It had like 956,000 subscribers, very big channel. But with what I saw was this channel got demonetized, right? This channel might have been using other people's content, and they're not using their own stuff to make the channel unique. That's the reason this channel got demonetized, and they also deleted most of their videos because they probably want to remonetize it again. And this is the channel was going very, very great, but if you go recently, they're still getting 84,000, 45,000, but if you This channel is mainly in the finance niche, and also people like Dave Ramsey and Warren Buffett giving advice on different style of ways you can invest your money. So very great channel according to me, but to get the channel monetized, they need to do things differently for them to getting monetized again. This is a issue that I see on YouTube on a daily basis. Is like once a channel starts getting success, something happens and they might get demonetized, they might get copyright strikes, right? This is something that you have to deal with on a regular basis, and that's the reason I also started moving away from YouTube automation, is because of these actual things that's happening in the YouTube automation space, right? So this is one channel. Another channel that's actually really utilizing getting 1% better every single videos is this channel here. This channel only got 55 videos published on their channel, far from weak, right? And the amount of huge growth that happened in this channel is like mind-blowing, right? So they hired content creators, and this channel is pretty much automated. They're not showing their face or anything like that, but the reason they got so much success within a very short amount of time is because every single video, if you go look it up, every single video they're just getting better and better and better every single uploads that they're doing, and they're taking out the time to actually craft the best title, best thumbnail. And people, if they really interested in this style of videos, this channel are really different to the other channels which I saw, and they're really unique because of the thumbnail is really great. It's like captivating. Also the actual video is like really engaging as well, with the voiceover and everything. So this is one channel that you want to be like, getting 1% better every single day and every single uploads, right? Another channel which is like really great, if you go look at the oldest videos, was like 2 years ago, but if you also look at the latest video, they're still getting millions of views every single videos, right? So only because they're getting very innovative in the way they creating the videos and all the styles, and also the video ideas they're coming up with. That's the reason they're getting 1 million, 2 million, 5 million, 10 million views. So this is one channel that you want to look at and implement that same style onto your channel, so that way you can start getting results like this. And not forgetting Mr. Beast, right? He's one of the top producers and creators on YouTube. Really amazing. And you can see he's got 152 million subscribers. Like, that's a lot of people seeing his content every single day, and he's just one of the best creators. And if you go and look at his videos that he created years ago, that it was like really bad, but to what he's doing now in 2023 is like really amazing. And he's gonna be at the next trillionaire, like the way he's going and all his content, like getting so much results on YouTube. You can learn a lot from this person, Mr. Beast. Highly recommend you to go and watch his videos. It's gonna give you a lot of ideas, like how you can actually blow up your channel utilizing all these methods, right? So now what I'll say is, like, every single upload, you just need to start innovating, start thinking of different ideas, ways you can actually captivate your audience, so that way you can get more and more views on your channels, right? So another thing that I wanted to mention to you is like another different business model that I started getting a lot of success with. People have been asking me a lot of questions, like what it is. So I'll leave a link in the description. You can go and check it out for yourself. I'll also leave a link for the other resources, what are the things I'm doing, how I'm getting success, and also I'll put videos in there so you can go check it out. But it's all about recurring income that I'm earning from the amazing system that I started utilizing. And it's really beginner friendly, and pretty much you can start getting success for very little investment. Like, for, I know there's YouTube automation, people charging like $10,000, $5,000 just for coaching. But with this one, you can get started for very little income money. And you can see here, this is how much the company has paid out, right? Very generous company, and the amount of bonus that you're gonna get is gonna just blow your mind off, right? So also another thing I'll do, I'll leave in the end screen of this video, I leave all the bonus that you're going to get once you join my team, so that way you can have a best start and start getting success. So you might be thinking of having more financial freedom, spending more quality time with your kids, with your family, and be able to even quit your job, right? So that's the goal. That's the reason why we start online business, for you to live your freedom life and be able to do the things that you love, right? So that's the thing that you want to keep in mind, that you need to always be learning. If YouTube is not getting you success, there's always other business models out there, and the amount of support and training, everything that you're going to get is like really great. There's a great community out there. So if you want to know more, I'll leave in the end screen of this video, so you can go and check it out, all the bonus. I'll leave all the resources in the comment section and also in the description. You can go check it out. And until next time, thank you so much for watching. My name is Sanjeev, and I cannot wait to speak to you very soon.